Got a problem with your air conditioning? Make sure the company you call is licensed and insured, industry experts, reliable and trustworthy, responds immediately, going to be around to honor their warranties. Here is what some of Schmidt's air conditioning customers have to say.
We had a new AC unit installed 3 months ago by another company, and it went out, and the company who sold it to us was out of business. So we called Schmidt's, and they responded immediately. They honored my parts warranty, and my AC was back working within the hour. And lesson learned here, folks, make sure you're dealing with honest people in a company that is going to be around to honor its promises. Thank you so much, Schmidt's.
Schmidt's Air Conditioning. Repair and replace. Schmidt's. Licensed and insured. Check. Responds immediately. Check. Industry experts. Check. Going to be around to honor their warranties. Check. Reliable and trustworthy. Check. Get your AC fixed today. Call Schmidt's now. 480-641-5100. Check.
Hi, my name is Steve. A while back I had a problem with my air conditioner in our home here in Phoenix. Well, it just stopped working. So I called one of the biggest air conditioning companies here in Phoenix, and they came out and said that I needed a new compressor, almost $2,000. I told them, hey, that's a lot of money, I'll have to think about it. So I called my son, his name is Steve, he's named after me. He's in the building business and he knows about things like this, and so he says, call Schmidt Air Conditioning. I called them and they were out just within the hour. They came out and they said I didn't need a new compressor, I just needed a part, and they put it in. Total $90, no $2,000, $90, parts and labor. So I'm convinced you need to check them out. Schmidt's Air Conditioning. Thank you.
Schmidt's Air Conditioning. Call us now. 480-641-5100. That's 480-641-5100.